I am late. I got back in from the airport late last night and then slept. Well, actually, I didn't sleep that bad. But I woke up late this morning because my dogs kept waking me up. And then I flew to Philly yesterday um, to work on my sleeve. So I had to shower this morning before stream to get it cleaned up more and ointment put on it. Thank you. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. Let me, I'll pull up actual pictures here. Where the hell's photos? How do I delete these? Alright, these are all. So yesterday, this is how it started. We drew on the Sacred Heart, the flower, some background filler, drew on the stem coming out of this rose morph, and then another bud coming out. First part of the session. Boom. I'm using this for a meme later. But yeah, I'm super stoked with how my sleeve's coming out. All right. Oh, that's right. I forgot we had made this mobile friendly. Look at us go. All right. I don't remember what we were doing last. 10-3-1 ratio, repeat sales opportunities up here. I mean, that all looks like it's working right. I mean, chat, I'm not gonna lie, this is looking like pretty damn good. Like when you compare it to like this piece of shit. What up, Nick? Did we write? Man, I literally don't remember what we were writing last. I guess I can undo. Ah, we were doing some styling. Okay. Okay. We should make that our green. Let's see what that looks like as our green. And that's going to be in important data points. What is it? It's emerald? No. Is it emerald? I feel like it started with an A. Atlantis, that's our color. I'm coming with you, dear Maria. Yo, in the editor, that looks disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. Just digging out of the snow. I just woke up to. Nice. Is V0 good at mobile-friendly design? Yeah, V0 is very good at mobile-friendly design because it knows Tailwind very well, and Tailwind's very good at doing mobile. All right. So it looks like I think we pulled the data for shit. So we have repeat sales opportunities on here. This improvements thing, did we end up adding that last time? Is that what this giant thing is? I don't remember. Because I remember I tweeted that that image that was like some light SQL warm-up, but that might have been the important data points. Let's see here. The last thing we did was repeat sales opportunities. All right, so we need to grab this table now. I could have swore, dude, I remember working through this. I remember getting like these numbers. Is that what this is? Yeah, it is that. Submitted. That matches up with that. All right, so we need to load yeah, this annoying table. All right, so we have down to 1031 annual. Oh no. We have 1031 incremental increase. All right, so we don't have this we need to calculate this 234 number, which is the annual total. So we need this formula, right? Whoa. We need this. Close that, close this for now. And we'll call this compound. I don't know why this is like scrolling so crazy. It's annoying. And then we need to, what is W30? W30 is the compound total for paid to 85%. So that's this guy here. Man, we should have really used common table expressions. I'm regretting this now. And then we take that V31, which is annual total, and we divide that by U27. Where is U27 at? Rolling 12-month premium. I totally did this at the wrong place. Times that. And this gets divided by report row. I'm pretty sure that's our annual place premium. I think that's the right number. 234, 2,349,000. Nope. 23,497,156. We're off by it's like that times 100 is wrong. That looks right. Are my other numbers off like that? Oh yeah, I don't need to divide by 100 on any of these, or multiply by 100 on any of these. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. That looks better. All right, so we have this row. V32. By the way, was Vercel gonna add global firewall thingy? I think we're working on that. I don't want to do this. All right, this is the last annoying thing we have to do. The SQL is just so annoying to write. I really should just write these to their own tables at parse time, which is probably what we'll end up moving to. I have a feeling these, like, especially like this query or this report page is going to get super slow over time. And I'll probably end up refactoring to on upload, manually just writing these tables. I mean, I guess I could do materialized views too. But that probably puts more load on the database than it's worth. But we could put the compute onto the database because we don't have any really database heavy workloads, and that could cut down costs. Yeah, we'll see. All right, let's write the next part, shall we? We need to get, we'll start with this guy, which is AF15. AF15 is annual place premium. So we'll say report row dot placed annual premium, and that's going to be multiplied by 0.05 divided by 0.27, and 0.27 is income captured. So let's just join income captured right now. This is more than you bargained for yet. income captured as income. Excuse me. Sorry, chat. All right, so we have income capture now. And we want to get, wait, what? And this is going to be our, is there a ratio in here? Yeah. And so that is, we're already in a ratio, so that's good there. And this should be as, percent income captured.
Functions describe the world.
As percent income captured to 5%, and this is annual. And let's run that. And we should see 314, 529. Look at that. Look at that, quick math. And then this is just going to be this number. And we'll come down here, paste that again, give ourselves a comma, and then we add a set of brackets, and we subtract it by U27, which is our placed annual premium. So that's report row dot placed annual premium, and this will be as percent income captured to 5% incremental. Run that and we should see 160. Nice, we do. And then the last one is V32, which is that first W31. What is W31? W31 is 1031 compound. So 1031 compound is this guy. Skank around that, give ourselves some space to write this. Do that, give ourselves some brackets. And then it's times the result of the last row, right? V32 is annual total. So I think that's this one, right? No, it's this one. Whoops. Yank around that, 10 down, over here. Wait. W31, which is the 1031. I hate not having variable names here. This is so confusing. What up, Ninja? Thank you, chat, for the bless yous. Thank you for the follow, Past K. Alright, I got lost in what I was doing here. I need to restart. W31 is 1031 compound. So this one, yank around that. All right, we have that, and then we need to multiply that by V32, which I'm pretty sure V32 is, yeah, the annual total for this one, which is this guy. And that gets divided by U27, which I'm pretty sure is this, which is, yeah, that's placed annual premium. And this is percent income captured to 5% compound. All right, what did we do wrong here? Does this just need a comma? We should see 480,000. We do not see 480,000.
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak
What
the
did we do
gospel
wrong
of the
here,
dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me today.
Thank you for the sub. Oh my goodness.
Functions
Mr.
describe
Love Wizard, thank you
the
for the gifted
world.
subs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. All right, we clearly did our math wrong. So this should be okay. And we get how do we get 2.46? All right, I suppose we just do this again. So this should be the same value as, if we run the query now, percent, that's not right. I fucked this up again. All right. We need W31. We need compounded total. I think that's what I did wrong. I think I grabbed the annual. V32, which is the annual. And then we divide that by report row dot placed annual premium. $2.4. How do we keep getting that number? Yoink that, paste that. Let's make sure, let's just work backwards here. So we run that and we see that is 1.2. Do we see 1.2? No, we see 234. Did I not copy that identical as increase? That's the number we would expect. And somehow I'm seeing a different number. How is that working? Oh, I didn't copy the full formula. There's more. Okay, that was the problem. All right, then this gets multiplied. This gets the $480. That looks, yep, there we go. The spreadsheet is wrong, the code is perfect. You're goddamn right. That's what I call vibe-driven development. All right, let's see here. Next row. This is actually insane. Like, who sat down and figured out these numbers? Fucking nerds. All right, 3 more columns, 3 more rows. W46. Where does W46 come from? Where do you come from? Repeat sales. Oh, we have that. We have that value. I'm gonna maybe have ChatGPT come in here and just like join performance metric row, repeat sales opportunities as repeat sales. Let's just say that on repeat sales dot report ID equals report dot ID. Now we have that. Run that. Everything's fine there. This might be the most expensive SQL query I've ever written. So we need repeat sales dot. It wants the should be column, and we say that is, it's just that, as repeat sales incremental, I guess. If we run that, do we see 314? That should be that 314 number. 231. Where did we get 231 from? I feel like we've seen that number before. Should be premium life opportunity. There's a 213, 231. That's different. At should be premium life. Is that not right in our current? $231. That doesn't look right. Percent income captured. Wait, what the heck?
Functions describe the world.
I think I have this wrong. We have it loaded in the UI, right? That number's not right. Is the 113 number right? Do we get that? No. Our math ain't math in chat. We fucked up something in our important data points. $69. Annual placed lives. That looks good. That's wrong. How do we screw this up? Are our other numbers right? Total households is 230. Is that what we see over here? Total households. $305. How did I end up with a total households of 230? Answer response numeric. So if we go to our user, our question, this should be 305. So if we go look now at what we were just doing and rerun that, 91.5. Okay, that math is mathing now. 314. Okay. Yeah, we just had our report wrong. Okay, that's fine. How did I just get that row? That's sick. It's a nice hover. Dylan with no hat. What timeline is this? I know. I took a shower this morning because I had to clean my tattoo that I got work on yesterday. I got one more session on my sleeve to go. All right, so now we should see 314. That comes out right. Great. So we can go back to what we were doing. The next one is we add plus W46. W46 is at should be, is that just doubled? W46. U27. Oh no, it's plus the, yeah. And then this is going to be plus report row dot place annual premium, and this will be not as incremental, it'll be as annual. We run that, we should see 468. 468, good. This column is going to be that row, so it's going to be this. And then there will be plus U33, which is just our U33 is literally just our, so it's this times 2. Whoa, the fuck is this? That should be the 700 number. 782. 794. I see 468. All right, so that is not correct. W32 plus U33 it's that number. It's the percent income captured. It's this annoying ass fucking thing. That's not even the full formula. Oh my god. As repeat sales compound. Also, not the right number. Oh, it's that times 2. $948. Is that what we see? No, we see 7. All right, let's see if we can at least get 480 in here, because we should be able to take this, and this should be the same formula as. All right, so we do see the 480, and then W32 plus U33. U33 is just the, yeah. Plus, repeat sales dot should. 794, there we go. Just your normal formulas here. Very normal formulas. Oh, that's better than a hard rejection, but I'm sorry to hear that. And thanks, Colin. Appreciate the compliment on the tattoos. All right, next row, keep 60. V34. So we need to calculate this first, which is U27. And we got a raid. Hello, Raider. Rip. How we doing today? How was the stream? What were you working on? Gotcha, Sentient. U27. So we're gonna get the report row dot placed annual premium times 60 divided by D16. D16 is kept average. And this should be placed lives. I'm assuming placed lives is that number. I'm assuming. And this is going to be, what is this stupid column? Keep 60. This should be negative, or no, this should be 133 as keep 60 annual. And we run that and we see a really wrong number. Let's just see what this is. We should see wait, why don't we see that column? Invalid input value for prototype average. What? Is that true? Average math. That's why. Now we see, oh shit. There we go. 7.19. That's not the number I thought. That's right there. We want kept, not placed. Kept. Oh, there we go. And that other number in that formula is this will be 60 divided by that, and then U27 is report row dot placed annual premium times that. And now we should see the 133 number, and we do 133,518. Great. So the next column is V34, which is the number we just calculated. So let's grab that again. Yoink, paste that there, minus U27, which is report row dot placed annual premium. And this will be as keep 60 incremental. That needs a comma. Give ourselves some space here. And we should see negative 20. Yeah. Great, building a TCP chat server in Erlang. That's sick. I might go grab my hat because my hair is flopping in front of my face. So I'll be right back. And we're back. And then the last one is U33, which is that annoying formula right here. This beast. Oh my god. Oh my god. That guy. Plus W32, which is percent income captured to 5%. Is that right? Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, chat. Times 60 divided by D16, which I think D16 was kept. Report row, report average row dot kept as keep 60 compounded. Just a very normal formula. If I got that right on my first try, I'm a copy paste legend. Not even close. Just not even close. Damn, I don't want to go copy paste that whole thing again. It's so hard. All right, we'll try again. So it is going to be U33. U33 is this column, which is repeat sales, which is just W46. So we'll start with repeat sales. That 314 number, I believe it's, so I guess it is this value, right? Yoink that, put that in parens. We do that, we should see 314, right? No. I grabbed the wrong one. We don't need the minus. That should give us the number we're looking for. 133. No, still not right. What? Isn't that exactly what we have here? Uh-oh. I think we have a bug. Repeat sales, incremental. Did we not finish that? Repeat sales, compound, repeat sales, incremental. Ah, that just should be premium life. Okay. So we can replace that formula here with that. And then this, the next part, let's just go ahead and wrap that in parens. And we'll put it on another line, right? Let's just put each part of this formula on a new line. We're gonna say plus parens. W32 is repeats. W32 is percent income captured compounded. Percent income captured compound. This one. Yoink that. Come down here. That goes inside that. And we'll separate the row again. And the next part of the formula is to divide by. Add some more parens. And we're going to divide by U27, which is our rolling report row dot placed annual premium. Damn it! What? Oh, no, I didn't get the rest of the formula correct. Hold on, that last one we pasted in. W32 is that one. And then we multiply times 60. And then we divide by D16, which I think is that kept. Yeah. So this will be down report row average row dot kept. There we go. That number's correct. That's an insane formula. That's like actually an insane formula. Look at this thing. All right, last row finally. Income per fact finder plus 50%. V35. Yeah, so we got to calculate this first. U27. So this will be U27, which is report row dot placed annual premium times P22. Where is P22? P22 is going to be the target of important data points. Did we already join important data points? Whatever. I'll just join it again. What's one more join? All right, so then we have P22 is the target over the goal. Important data dot target income per fact finder target. Income per fact finder target over important data dot income per fact finder, and this is income per fact finder plus 50 annual. And if we run that, we should end up seeing 230. Yep, 230.5. And then we can calculate the incremental, which is just this minus the placed premium. Premium as so we should see that be 76,000. Yep, there we go. Excellent. And then this last one, something tells me this is going to be the fucking craziest formula we've seen yet. So we need percent income captured. That's disgusting. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. We want to go get the W32, which is percent income captured. It's this thing. Yoink you. You go here. My hair kept falling in front of my face. I didn't. If I don't blow dry my hair, it's a little too floppy. So, you know, it is what it is. Times, and then this is where this set of parens comes at, and that set of parens gets 60 divided by D16. 60 divided by report average row dot kept, and then we have a times 1.5, and then we come outside there and we add U33, which is repeat sales incremental. Which, okay, that's an easy one. Hopefully we just get this right and it's not an issue. as do we miss a comma? Yeah. $939. First try, chat. First try. Let's go. And then I'll just copy that for posterity. Wow, what a beast of a SQL query. I want to see, like, I can't even fit this on my whole screen. This is going to be hilarious. I just want to see what this looks like. Thinks it's Elm. Bruh. That's insane. How can we improve this sequel? I'm sure it's going to be common table expressions. We're going to use common table expressions and materialized views eventually. It's arc. Please use. Please. Okay, it was still thinking. That's so much better. That's so much nicer. I wonder if that still comes out, if that still gives us the same things. I'm gonna possibly have it refactor. I think that came out correctly. Damn, nice. Okay, well, that's much easier to read. I wonder if we can have it, I wonder if we can have it do the same things. I have an idea. we're gonna clean up our SQL right now. So let's go here. What is this? This is important data points. Right? Or no, this is repeat sales opportunity. This is our repeat sales opportunity view. Please do the same for this. Hi.
Hi.
Bye. Oh, you're wearing Next.js hoodie? Nice. Come show it on stream. She's repping Next.js chat.
Is it there?
There's quite a delay today.
Oh.
I don't know why.
Oh. I think there's something else somewhere, but I don't know. I just grabbed a hoodie and I realized it was a tech hoodie. Excuse me. Is there one left? Dylan? Is there one left?
Yeah, there's a whole pack. I opened a pack to get to that.
The pack was already opened.
What?
The pack was already opened.
I don't think so.
It was.
Let's see if this comes out and gets us the right numbers. Oh, well, at least there's one left. I wouldn't have taken the last one.
That would have been really mean. I
Yeah.
thought you did,
I didn't.
so I was about to be really upset. You're lucky.
Total report row. You messed up, ChatGPT. I'm about to not care on this. We can come back and fix this at another time. Because we have the first one working, which is what matters. So let's grab this. And yoink that. And that's going to go to Ghosty. And we're going to come in here and we're going ahead and let's just paste this for now. Comment that. We'll copy this. And actually we'll have ChatGPT do this. Please, here's an example of a drizzle Postgres view. Please create a drizzle PG view for this SQL. Yoink. What up, Kiev? Oh, chat, I forgot to tell you. I don't know if I got a response yet, but I got approved. Yeah, I don't have a response from the team yet, but I got approved as an influencer and ambassador for IntelliJ. So I'll have discounted licenses by like, I think I have free licenses for 3 months and then 25% discounts on any IntelliJ product once I get set up. So you're all welcome.
Functions describe the world.
Dude, not me. Congrats to you guys. I don't really, I technically get licenses to some of their other tools, but like I don't use them, so I don't really get anything out of it. This one's for you guys. Yeah, I get a discount as well. But I still have like a discount from being a Penn State student, master's student, and I don't know. In fact, I get licenses to a couple of their products for free, but I don't think it's any of the ones I would use. So maybe I'll just raffle off those licenses or something. Or not raffle, but like, you know, add it to the keyboard type thing. Calculated values. We want to call this, it's not calculated values. We called this, what was it? I guess we call this the improvements table. Seems like what we would call this. Improvements. So much SQL. So much SQL. All right, let's try running this. Let's go. All right, so that created our database view. So we come in here now, we should see a view added. 9 views, improvements. That should give us the values we were looking at. So that compound growth should still be 9. Yeah, all right, we got it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna run an ad quick chat. All right, so now in here, we can add a column. What is that one most like? It's most like important data points. All right, so we'll put compound growth at the top here. Like that's like the important thing to look at of this. So let's important data improvement. Hell yeah. So let's just copy this, and then we're gonna go back to improvement, paste that in there. Right, we need to go copy this. This is going to be important, or no, improvement. Which it looks like that is exported. All right, we got that. And now in our page.server, we have to update this to fetch that. The good thing is we launch all these queries in parallel. So this is going to be improvement. improvements. Oh, I forgot to do this. We want improvements. All right, so that should be now getting out to the front end. If we look back at this page, in fact, we should actually just probably be able to render this. We might be able to one-shot this. It's 9:30. Yeah, we might be able to get done this page today. Most of this page today. Let's see here. Components, and that's an improvement. Let's make that improvements. And in here we get, this is improvements. All right, we didn't make that. That's what I'm told. Some good Charlotte. Let's go. Yeah, okay, cool. Cool. We have different data. So how do we want to lay this thing out? Where do we want to put it is the real question. Is like when we're in this view, where do we want to lay this thing out at? We have this table. This is obviously important somehow. Maybe we put this on top of the table, right? Like we have like this.
Functions describe the world.
Basically the same thing here. And it just stretches. I don't know. Let me check what my messages are. So we'll delete this one. This block is going to be compound growth. And we'll just delete everything else. And for now, we'll get that going. And oops, we want one of these. And we'll call this compound growth block. Delete these. And this is going to be currency formatter, and it's going to be compound growth. And we can throw that. Wait, is that actually rendering? No, I didn't think so. That's on client dashboard. Yeah, I think we can basically copy this and throw that in there, and then this will be improvements. And data is going to equal report.summary.improvements, which I'm not sure why that's not on there. I must not have. I should really make this a type somewhere else so it can be shared. Improvements, performance, improvements. Improvements. And that throws that down there. Yep. And then we can go back to improvements, right? Because we don't need that lower bit here. Compound growth. And we'll make this our green. Text Atlantis 500. Okay. And we'll put a, we'll go side by side here, and we'll open up important data points since that's close to what we're copying. And we have that inside the div, and then we just start rendering these other blocks. So let's go to this block, and we'll copy this snippet, because that's basically what we want. Come down here, that gets put in, and our table now is going to be super annoying. Actually, let's grab this, and we're gonna ask V0 to iterate on this design. See if we can get anything good. We're not gonna spend a ton of time on this because it's already 9:35. Generate 5 different possible designs for displaying this table's data. The playlist link is just it's my Spotify DJ and chat requesting music, Action. Showing this as a bar chart's not a bad idea, actually. Because if we look at what we have right now while this is generating, we probably want this to stretch the whole way across for now. So we can fix that, because that is going to be, we can get rid of this for now. And that's going to be back over in here. Gap grid calls is 2. So this should actually be 4. And this should be 1. That did not do what I thought it would do. On Excel, it's grid calls 2. That should be 4. 1. There we go. Which we don't even need this anymore, right? Because we have grid calls 1 there. And on extra large, it's 1 row. And we can get rid of that 2. There we go. Yeah. There we go. And important data points isn't the right metric there. This is going to be improvements. Changing tag. Improvements. There we go. And we'll say this is compound growth. Whatever. We'll work on that in a second. And let's go look at our V0 generations. Oh, I love this. This looks so good. All right, we're just gonna make a table because that's so let's go to the code and we're gonna grab this one, or no, what was the, we want to go from dashboard, and I want to grab the table in the dashboard. And we're going to copy this. And we'll say, please, here is the React table from the dashboard layout. Oh, dude, I hate that I can't copy and paste well from this. It like never works. I have to like insert. Now that I'm in insert mode, I can copy C, V. I still can't. Copy. Can I paste now? Like it didn't copy anything to my clipboard. C. Copy. There we go. Now I got it. Here is a Svelte 5 table. And here is the real data model, which is going to be under here. Yoink that. And then we go back here. Please convert the table to Svelte 5 and use the real data model. Let's see how this does. Worst case, we can give this to like ChatGPT and it'll do it for us. Dude, it's writing Svelte 4. Use Svelte 5, not Svelte 4. It's still not right. It doesn't know. All right, fuck it. We'll just implement it ourselves. Stop. And we're just gonna capture this table basically. So down here, we'll add a snippet. See how fast I can code this. Snippet, and we'll say this is improvement strategies table. And we'll come in here and I'm gonna have to copy that other table we just found. There's a good one. We're gonna have submitted, or I guess this will be strategy. This will be incremental increase. This will be annual total. And compounded total. So we're gonna have a row per strategy. So we're just gonna hard code this because it's much easier. This will be submitted to paid for at 85%. And in here, submitted to, what kind of data is that? Incremental, submitted to paid for 85. It'll be currency. And this will be submitted increase. And we'll go there. Submitted annual. And do the same thing. Paste that there. And this will be compound. And we should see that render now over here. Oh, right, we have to put that here at render improvement strategies table. We'll make this look better in a minute. Let's just get all the rows in. The next row is going to be increase to 10.3.1. Increase to 10.3.1. And that will become increase to 10.3.1. That's probably, how do we name this? I don't know what this is actually. And of course I broke. Increase to 10.3.1 annual. The next one is percent captured. Got that one. This becomes percent income captured to 5%. Going that one. This is repeat sales. Next one is keep 60. View to A, paste that in. View to C, paste that in. This one will be, I hate that that's compounded and the rest are compound, but whatever. This will be income per fact finder plus 50%. Or I guess incremental goes first. All right, I gotta skip this. I think that's the whole table. All right, I think we can probably give this to all right, let's look at the styles here. We can bold those. let's wrap that in a div. That should put those side by side. Compound growth. Could also put that there. How should we make that look better? In fact, we can probably, I do have an idea. We'll do this, and then we'll copy the styles from here. Yeah, go back. And we'll drop that there, and this is going to be compound growth. Compound growth. And we'll make this doesn't even need to be, it's gonna be just a span. And this doesn't even need to be that. And we'll drop this in a div. Put this in a div. Get those side by side. Can I give this some padding? Let's just say P4. B4. And then we'll align center. How can we make this card better? We go copy that, delete that, over to V0, and we'll just say new chat. Please make this card look better. Dude, it was just such a long song, it was repeating itself, Anders. I liked it, I was bopping to it, but it just got repetitive. You have everything I'm not. You are everything I'm not. Come on. You're not even doing anything. Did V0 just crash? Ooh, I like that. Dude, that's so good. That colored top. That's so much better. So we'll come in here and we'll say our background is going to be Atlantis, and it'll be 400 or 500. I think it's Atlantis. 400, 500. Ah, yeah, it is basically 400. This is actually going to become white. change to there. Text is gonna be white. And that actually goes here. Or no, it doesn't. Oh, how do we do this? This is a little bit different. We need like a card header. And we'll put the card title in that. We'll put that there. And this is going to be a flex. Was it a flex row? Yeah. All right, we're gonna wrap this up before I quit here, chat. Improvements, and we'll have that, we'll wrap that in as span. And then we'll put in the compound growth block. Basically copy parts of view. I don't even need to make this. I think I can just copy now. Class. Capitalize. And then we'll make the background will be Atlantis 400. And the text will be white. Then we have improvements, and then we want a div. And inside that div, we're going to have a span. In fact, we'll have two of these. In this one, it's going to say compound growth, and it's going to be a little bit grayed out. But we'll say class is going to equal capitalize. And then this will have format currency formatter dot format data dot compound growth. And this thing is going to have rounded start radius. I don't know what the start and end radius is. We'll have to copy that from. We're just gonna render the table, which is improvements table, and we can get rid of this thing. Let's look at what we got here. All right, getting closer. And we'll say PT0, MT0, P/4. All right, we can keep that. PY. It's this thing we want to say that is going to have 0 padding. So let's just set padding 0 in there quick. Yep. And we'll say this will be rounded. Is this not rounded? Maybe it is rounded, I'm just blind. Something looks super pointy down in there. There we go. I want like rounded top. Yeah. Is that what I wanted actually? Rounded top left radius, yeah. Something like that. rounded. I really just want rounded top. It doesn't feel like it's working. Where is that rounding coming from? Where is rounding coming from? I hate CSS. I hate it, chat. Like rounded top. Oh, I think I know what I have to do. Because if I get rid of the rounded, I bet this card title has some natural shit on it. Okay. All right, we have that there. And I bet if we say rounded, that rounds. Rounded none. And then we say rounded top. No. I can't round this thing. All right, I'm not worrying about the rounding right now. Fuck it. Let's add, just make that, and then we're going to say this is going to be flex row, and we'll say in here justify between. That pushes those over. This becomes a flex, flex call. We'll give it a little gap action here, and we'll left align, justify start, or item start. Items start. Yep. So how we did it over here. Oh, that is centered. Okay, so just ignore that. And then we'll also in I guess we'll keep that. Text center, and we'll do justify center, or item center. There we go. We're getting there. And what icon is that? It is the bar chart icon. So let's go ahead and throw that in. How are all of these deprecated? Whatever.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow. Bisharli, how we doing? That doesn't look so good. That looks better. I wonder if we should do something like this for each of the card titles. All right, chat. I'm doing well, Bisharli. Thank you. We will probably... Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, but I will be out again on... I'm going to be out a lot of March. I am taking a trip this weekend with Justine, and we're leaving tomorrow afternoon, so I'll be out Friday. And then next week, I will be out Friday to speak at a conference at RVAJS. And then the next day on Saturday, I fly to Italy to go speak at EffectTS. And then when I get back from there, I fly to California. So there's a good chance that let me look at my calendar here. Where's my calendar? I'll set up my actual Twitch calendar too. Let's see here. Yeah, so next Wednesday, actually. Next Wednesday? No, next Thursday will be my last stream until basically maybe the 28th. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. All right, let's go find somebody to raid. But we will definitely be back tomorrow and all of next week. Where's the raid? Let's raid Jack. Giacomo, working on Gleam. All right, y'all. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out.